Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through a simple way to fix the issue of the Steam wishlist not loading. First, open PowerShell on your computer. Click on the Start menu, type PowerShell in the search box, and when it appears, click on it. Make sure you open PowerShell as an administrator so that the commands work correctly. Once PowerShell is open, type the following command and press Enter. Type netuser steam2 123/add. In this example, Steam2 is the username and 123 is the password. You can replace these with any username and password you prefer. This command creates a new local user account on your computer. Next, you need to give this new account administrator rights. To do that, type net local group administrator steam2/add and press Enter. Here, Steam2 is the username you used earlier. After the account has been created and added to the administrators group, go to the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then right-click on the Steam icon. From the menu that appears, select Run as different user. A login window will open. Enter the new username and password that you just created. Once you log in, Steam will open using the new administrator account. This often clears loading problems with the wishlist and other parts of the app. Thanks for watching.